With criminal defense attorney Sara Azari. And Sara, first, what do you make of this jury question about reaching a consensus? Do you think we're looking at a hung jury?
Yeah, Anna, I think it tells us a couple of things, and not just by itself, but interconnected with the other question about unzipping the Glock, and then even the question the day before. What it tells us is that they're either deadlocked, as of a few hours ago yesterday, or they're on their way to being deadlocked, and they're asking the judge how long do they stay deadlocked? But also it tells us that they're struggling with the reasonableness of the mistake. There's no dispute that Potter made a mistake in pulling out her Glock in lieu of the taser, but the idea is, was she conscious of that mistake? Was it reasonable for an officer like her to make that mistake? And they're struggling with that, which is exactly what the defense strategy was here in putting on that raw emotional testimony. So unzipping the Glock, which was the second question, Anna, is so that they can actually feel and observe the physical evidence firsthand, not just rely on the testimony that they heard to determine whether is that mistake reasonable or not? So that, I think the questions were very telling. And the fact that they came up with the first question a couple days ago about that action error expert that testified for the defense is also part of the same scenario, which is, was her mistake reasonable? Was she conscious of having pulled her Glock versus the taser?
Right, and we know they've been deliberating another 4 hours or so today. I wonder at what point would a judge allow the jury to just stop deliberations if they can't reach a consensus and really are deadlocked?
Yeah, so Judge Chu yesterday didn't do what some judges do just after, the 14 hours, which is an Allen charge. So she just lightly and reminded them that they have the duty to come up with a unanimous verdict, and they should try harder. But the Allen charge is going to be a firmer encouragement. You have heard the evidence, you have been a great jury, you've paid attention, you really ought to talk this out amongst yourselves and come up with a unanimous verdict. So please go back and try again. That kind of firm encouragement, or Allen charge as we call it, has not occurred yet. So we might see that from this judge before she finally puts on the brakes.
Okay, we'll be watching closely for any new development. And Sara, I know you're going to stick with us in case there is a verdict as our show continues here in this hour. Thank you.